Welcome to export agencies. We are happy to announce you that export agencies is registered under small scale industries district of Kadalur in Tamil Nadu. Any student who is doing project under export agencies will be provided proper certificate that they have done the project under our small scale industry. For students doing project under us, we provide them with confirmation letter, project estimation, abstract, circuit diagram of the project, all necessary supporting documents, IC data sheets and reference papers. Further, we do install the necessary softwares for their projects. This includes simulation softwares which are useful for simulating their projects. For doctorate students and students doing master degrees like MSc or M.Tech, we provide online projects. It means that the researcher need not come to our institute in person. They can get the entire project done online. So that is one special benefit which we provide for researchers. Of course, even overseas students can get benefited by use of these online courses. And the major departments for which we provide project guidance is highlighted here for your reference. Of course, any other departments related to the circuit branches can also approach us for taking projects. In this session, we will see how to import a basic image in MATLAB, then how to do processing of the image, further how to save the image. So these basic operations, how to perform in MATLAB, that we will discuss now. So this is a series of tutorials on MATLAB being applied for image processing. So this session is an introductory class for image processing. So let me introduce the first command. I is equal to im read. So we are reading an image pout.taf. So this image is available inside the MATLAB toolbox. So now that I am just reading that image, so that I have read in the variable named I. To display the image what we have read, I will use the command im show, that is image show, capital I. That is the variable in which I have saved the image. So you can see here the image is displayed in figure 1. Further, the same image you can also visualize using the image viewer app, and that can be done with the help of the IM tool function. So that I am not going to deal now. So I will only explain the commands which you can enter in the MATLAB command window. The next command which I want to introduce is the whose function. Say I am giving whose I. So that displays the information about the image. What is the size, how much bytes it occupies. So those informations are displayed by the whose command. Then we have many built-in activities related to image that can be done in MATLAB. So one such operation is the image histogram. So to display the image histogram, I will open a separate figure. So that is, I am naming it as figure 2. In figure 2, I want to display the image histogram for the variable I. So this is the histogram for this figure. See, notice that the histogram, it is showing the intensity range of the image, and you can observe that the intensity is thickly populated or concentrated over one particular region of the x-axis. This you can alter, or you can perform an equalization or adjustment on the image. So now that I am going to create another figure which I am naming it as figure 3. So this is figure 3. So here, now that I will perform equalization, for this the command is HISTEQ, histogram equalization for I. So now that the equalization is performed, so now I have done it. As you can see, equalization I have stored in the variable name I2. So now I will show I2 by again using this previously illustrated command im show I2. So now, so this is the image after performing equalization. So now that you can see the equalized image as well as the input image. So like this, you can perform a number of image related adjustments. You can go for adaptive adjustment, and many computer vision related operations can be performed by using the MATLAB image processing toolbox. So now again in another figure you can plot the histogram for this current image. So I will create another figure. I will name it as figure 4. So now I will give the image histogram for I2. This is the second image, that is after performing the equalization. What is the image histogram that I will display here. So now you can see that it is distributed over the entire range. The intensity is distributed over the entire range. So that is the activity done by the histogram equalization command. So now if you want to save this image, you can use this command imwrite. So this will write the image into the current directory. So this image 2, this is the image which you want to save, and the file format also I am giving. The name of the file, that should be given within quotes. So this is the command to save the image. So if you want to check the information about the saved image, that can be done by another command, imf image file info. So this gives the details about the image file. And here you can see that the color type, it is grayscale. Many operations related to image processing, you will use this grayscale. Further advanced commands related to MATLAB image processing toolbox, I will be discussing in the next series of tutorials.